Hi, today in front of me Realme C33 and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first let's launch Gmail application and then tap on the right upper corner. Now we can see here that we are logged in Gmail account in Gmail app, and if you want to log out from Gmail application, first we should log out from Google account on our device. To do that, click to manage accounts on this device, click to this account and tap to remove account button. Confirm your action by click here to remove account. Are you sure? Tap OK and enter your confirm your action by entering your protect method on your device. I'll use my pattern. You can use your PIN code or passcode. Just now we can see that we are logged out successfully from the Google account on our device, and when we'll go back to the application we can see that we successfully log out also from Gmail account in Gmail app. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.